Very good morning to all, and this is the next topic which I am going to cover today. This is also very important after completing the group behavior. In organizational behavior, we have already seen like functions of management. So before going to this topic, we have already seen the topic communication. So how well the communication plays an important task role in organizational behavior. Okay, so definitely not only for the organization behavior, entire organizational work, this particular communication plays an important task. So we have, as a recap, we are going to discuss about how well the communication, what is communication, and through whom the communication should be followed, and how the communication should be followed. We have done so many activities regarding, I hope you remember that we have poured water in your palms, and that water is being transferred to your neighbors till the end. So when the water is filled in the fully filled in your palm, when it goes to the last person, the every drop goes down, and finally he doesn't have even a drop of water. So likewise the communication happens, right? When it comes to the top management till the subordinates, in between there will be a lack of communication. So if so happens in the organization, so lot of deviations takes place. So that is the thing which we have discussed in the previous session. And today I'm like, guess this topic, what is this? Okay, when you see this picture, can you guess the topic? You see man has been five fingers. எவ்ரி இயேசுநாதர் மாதிரி பாருங்கள், எல்லாம் கை கால் எல்லாமே வந்து ஈச் ஃபிங்கர் இஸ் கேப்சரிங், ரைட்? அண்ட் யூ சி like one finger is up, one finger down. So as the fingers are moving, this is like so what you can understand from hand. Now I will give you a clue. In your hand you are having a pen, and see the left picture is catching something, and the right picture from my side, okay, from my side it's right picture. You see, you are catching a pen and writing the notes. So this two example, I have given you a clue. So this is the topic what we are going to discuss. So any idea about what is this topic? Okay, I myself will tell. That is nothing but, you see here, it is controlling. So five fingers, you are handling the pencil and writing in the sense, that is control, isn't it? So controlling is very important in organization. Controlling is very, very important. Why? Because before going to that, we will see the meaning and we will see the definition. See, first thing is, it is the task, right, of which ensures the activities are producing the desired result. And the control edukuna, already we will have a yearly plan, half yearly plan, or monthly plan, or whatever. ஸோ அந்த பிளான் பண்ணி அந்த பிளானை வந்து ஒரு கண்ட்ரோல்டாக அதை அச்சீவ் பண்ணுறதுக்கு கொண்டு போகிறோமா, அண்ட் வாட் இஸ் தி எண்ட் ரிசல்ட். ஸோ அந்த மாதிரி ஒரு இதுதான் வந்து கண்ட்ரோலிங். நவ் so this control plays an important role in the sense, what are the different process it has. What are the process? Now first thing is establishments of standard. So there is an complete idea of every management that they should have good standards, and not only having good standard, they have to improve that to the next level. Okay, next process is measurement of performance. You see, everywhere there should be a measurement. What has been taken place today, what is the performance done today, and how far that supports to complete the task which has been planned annually or half yearly or quarterly. ஸோ அண்டர்ஸ்டுட். ஸோ எல்லாத்துலேயுமே ஒரு கண்ட்ரோல் இருக்கணும். ஸோ தேர் ஷுட் பி அ கண்ட்ரோல் இன் ஈச் அண்ட் எவ்ரி ஸ்டெப்ஸ். Management should have an eye on what the work is taking place. In 8 hours, suppose for an employee it is 8 hours job, in the sense 8 hours individual employee, what has been completed, whether he has completed successfully, and whether it is quality based, whether it complete focuses on our task. So in the mari every steps, we have to have an eye and we have to measure it, right? Then compare performance with the standard. So whatever the action plan we have done, what standard we expect, we have to compare with the performance what already the people have been done, whether it matches. So இதை வந்து daily, every minute, every organization, every heads, they have to see the performance report, right? And after doing that analysis, we have to correct the action ஏதாவது தப்பாக இருந்தால். ஸோ several times, I used to give this example in a classroom. That is, like suppose for example we are newly moving towards Coimbatore to Chennai in your own car. Suppose if you are going in a private bus or anything, the driver knows the regular routes and he take away from Coimbatore and he makes you to reach Chennai easily. But you are going in your own car, you don't know the routes. Even though there are so many supports, social medias are supporting, definitely you will have problems. So I have already told in the classrooms about it, right? So that is an activity also. That is an activity. You definitely, what you will do, at least you will spend few liters of petrol unnecessarily. At least you may move you may move without knowing which route you have to take. So that is called plan and action. இன்னைக்கு போகணும் அப்படின்னா you should already plan the route, from where the destinations, how long it will take, where to take breakfast, where to take lunch. Likewise, with a plan, if you go, then definitely you can achieve, right? So that is the task where I wanted to tell you. And the next one is importance. Okay, now why it is so important? Controlling is so important. You see, when you see this picture, you can understand, right? Reduce the uncertainties. அதான் சொல்கிறேன். கண்ட்ரோல் பவர் இருந்ததுன்னா, அதாவது கடைசியில் தெரியுது certain things, when you come to know only at the part of result area, you can avoid that knowing, doing it at the earlier stage and correct it then and there, right? And prevents misuses of delegated authority, definitely. So எந்த ஒரு misusness வந்து it can be reduced. Then whereas if there is good control, you can organize effectively, okay? And then you can make more plan for the future plans, for the development of the organization, likewise. So there are a lot of things to discuss about this control function. We will discuss in the next class about this. Thank you so much.